Hello! In this video, you will discover a definition of innovation, the different types of innovation, and the stages of innovation. Innovation can be defined as a multi-stage process whereby organizations transform ideas into new or improved products, services, or processes in order to advance, compete, and differentiate themselves successfully in their marketplace. It is important to emphasize that an innovation should be perceived as new by users. It's also necessary to distinguish innovations from inventions. Innovations are commercial and practical applications of ideas or inventions. The different forms of innovation can be classified in several ways, according to their output, their level of novelty, and their source. According to their output, we can distinguish, among others, the following types of innovations. Product innovations reflect the development of new or improved products, such as phablets, this new class of mobile devices designed to combine the size format of smartphones and tablets. Service innovations refer to the development of new services, such as Airbnb, an online community marketplace that connects people looking to rent their homes with people who are looking for accommodations. Process innovations are the implementation of new or significantly improved processes in a company, such as the use of a new 3D modeling software for developing new products. Organizational innovations describe, for example, the creation of a new division in a company. Finally, business model innovations refer to novelties in the plan implemented by companies to generate revenue and to make a profit from operations. For example, over the past decade, freemium, a combination of free and premium, has become the dominant business model among internet startups and smartphone app developers. Users get basic features at no cost and can access richer functionality for a subscription fee. In the MOOC Creative Box, we are focusing on product and service innovations, and you will discover how companies generate product and service innovation ideas. Secondly, according to their level of novelty, we can distinguish incremental and radical innovations. Incremental innovations reflect small, continuous improvements. For example, new generation of smartphones have new features, but don't modify deeply how consumers use this product. Radical innovations are different. They represent a drastic change in the way the product or the service is consumed. Autonomous driverless cars, which are capable of sensing the environment and navigating without human input, are radical innovations. Finally, according to their source, we can distinguish technology push and market pull innovations. Technology push innovations are built on scientific discoveries or innovative technologies which are used to develop new product ideas. These innovations are developed by engineers and scientists. For example, bioscience companies carry out chemistry research in the expectation of producing a chemical compound that might become a commercially exploitable drug. In the automotive industry, laser-based lighting devices for cars are illustrative examples. While technology push innovations are widely used in several industries, such as automotive and pharmaceutical industries, their success is not guaranteed, as they don't always meet market needs. That's the reason why market pull innovations are more and more widely used. Market pull innovations are initiated by marketing experts who propose new ideas based on the observation of customer needs. For example, in food industries, the role of the customer is powerful, and it leads to the development of market-led innovations such as the Coca-Cola Life. This is the Coca-Cola company's first reduced-calorie sparkling beverage, which is sweetened with cane sugar and stevia leaf extract to allow 35% fewer calories than other leading colas. The company has developed this innovation in order to meet customer needs for healthier foods and drinks. In our MOOC, we will concentrate on market pull innovations which guarantee a better market success. After discovering the different classification of innovations, let's explore the stages of innovation. Stages of innovation refer to all the steps taken during an innovation process, which usually start from idea generation and end with the market entry. Idea generation is the first stage and includes activities to state consumer needs, to identify gaps in the market, and to generate several innovation ideas. Then, during the idea screening, the company decides which ideas to pursue and which to discard, considering, for example, competition, needs of the market, and the strategy of the company. The technical feasibility of the ideas, as well as resources they require in development, should also be taken into account. Then, during the phase of concept testing, companies estimate the market reaction to the new product. The objective of the next phase, the business analysis, is to establish the relevant price level for the innovation and assess its potential profitability. After business analysis, marketing experts establish the marketing plan and suggest improvements for enhancing the marketing mix. Then, the company markets innovation and closely monitors this activity in order to make modifications if necessary. It's important to highlight that only a very small number of innovation ideas will be turned into a new product or service and actually launched on the market. It is also necessary to add that creativity tools and techniques can be used at each stage of innovation. Our MOOC centers on the stage of innovation idea generation and business analysis, including the assessment of the relevant launch price of an innovation. To complement this video, we recommend reading the book Innovation Management and New Product Development, which is the reference book of this MOOC. Have fun and see you soon!